from Hightop. Now I'm in a chicken farm in General Santos, Philippines. Today I'm going to show you some details of the farm and our equipment. Okay, just follow me. This is a farm to keep 30,000 layer chickens. And the equipment is being installed. In the first part, this is the controller for the environment. The temperature, the humidity, carbon dioxide can be text, and the data will be transferred to this controller, so it can control the chicken house environment automatically. Okay, now we are in the front part of the chicken house building. In the front part, these are automatic egg collection machine. There are 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, and they use 5 tiers layer cage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the chicken eggs will be conveyed to the front part, and workers just stand here to pick up eggs. For the automatic egg collection machine, we have some special designs to help the farmers save chicken eggs. First, it is the cloth. We use the air tap cloth. Air tap can hold one air tap can only hold 1 chicken egg. So when the eggs are conveyed, it won't be blocked here. If eggs are blocked here, more broken eggs will happen. So it is not good. So if we use air tap clamp, no egg block, and you can save more eggs. And the second part, this device, we call it as soft chicken egg filtration device. Soft eggs will drop from the gap and to the metal tray. So all eggs to the front part are clean, are qualified. So it won't make the whole system dirty. So the farmers can get clean eggs and qualified eggs. And for third device is the metal sheet. This metal sheet is for each tier. For each tier, but the direction is different. Why? Let me explain. You can see for the upper part, the direction is right, for the right direction, and for the lower part, it is a little left. A little left. Different direction can change the egg conveying direction. For example, the eggs on this tier will be transported to the right direction, and eggs from the lower tier are transported to the left direction. So eggs won't block in one direction. So the eggs won't block here. So this is also used to save more eggs. So all these 3 designs are used to help save more eggs, reduce egg broken rate, so farmers can get more layer eggs, earn more money. And now we come to the main part of the whole system, namely the cage mesh and the frame part. This is one set. It has 2 doors, and this is the one door. We put 8 chickens in one door. So there will be 4 chickens in the front, and in the front part, they will wait here, and then they exchange. Another 4 chickens will come to the front, eat chickens, and the chickens will come to the back to drink. So if the chickens can change to eat and to drink, we can make sure each chicken can eat enough chicken feed here. And for the drinking system, we have 3 nipple drinkers for the 2 doors, next 2 doors. So it is enough for the chickens to have enough water supply. And here is the metal top, feeder top. Generally, the suppliers usually give 0.8 millimeter, but we give 1 millimeter for the feeder top. And the metal sheet is also marine grade material, so it is very strong. The lifespan can be also more than 20 years. Square mesh, we use the marine grade. Marine grade has very good quality of anti-corrosion. The lifespan can be more than 20 years. And for the kids, wire design, we make as the distance at 700 millimeter here. For this keep distance, we can make sure very good ventilation of the chicken house. If the ventilation is good, the chickens can live in a very better environment, so they can eat healthy chicken feed, they can lay more eggs. And for the second reason, we design the 700 millimeter distance is that the chickens won't eat the manure for the upper side. If the distance is narrow, the chickens in the cage will eat their own manure here. If the chickens eat manure, they won't be healthy. It will have disease, so you will lose more chickens. So for the 700 millimeter distance, it has two good points. First, for ventilation, and second, for chicken's health. And this is the metal type feeder top. We also use marine grade metal sheet for this. The thickness is 2 millimeters, very strong enough. The workers can even stand on the feeders. They can stand on the feeder, and you can see it's very strong. So the workers can stand on it to check the chickens, check the eggs here. And now comes to the automatic feeding machine, the machine for 5 tiers. The hopper material is also marine grade, so the lifespan is also more than 20 years. And the hopper is a closed type. For the closed type, we can make sure the chicken feed is clean enough. And we also have an observation window here. So when feeding the chickens, the workers can see the feeding quantity here. And for this feeding machine, we have also have a very special design to help the farmers save chicken feed. Here is the secret. This is a measurement device for the feeding machine. There are 2 functions of this measurement. First, we can adjust the chicken feed for each row. We can make sure the chickens in each row can eat equal chicken feed. If the chickens can eat equal chicken feed, their body weight is also even. Even chicken weight can make sure the high egg laying rate. And the second function is to adjust the chicken quantity, because you know the chickens at different ages, they need different quantity of chicken feed. So we need to adjust the chicken quantity. We can use this measurement. So this is the secret for this feeding machine, that we can make sure the chickens eat even chicken feed quantity. Okay, now we come to the end part of the chicken feeding. End part will be the chicken manure cleaning machine and the exhaust fan. All the chicken manure will be given to the front part and to the end part. Our installation team is to install the manure cleaning machine doors. We put the metal sheet door here, so when the exhaust gas works, the chicken manure, the feathers won't be blown to the end part. If we close the door, the chicken feathers and the manure can be kept inside, so it won't be blown to the exhaust gas. So we can make sure the chicken house is very clean. After the manure are conveyed to the vertical cleaning machine and then to the horizontal manure cleaning machine. Vertical, horizontal, and outside. The slow cleaning machine is not installation yet. And to the end part, it also has the exhaust fans. We will give the spare part for the exhaust fan, namely the motors here. All the motors for the exhaust fans are very famous brand in China. Not only for exhaust fans, but for other driving systems like the egg collection machine, the feeding machine, the manure cleaning machine, we will give the motors for spare parts. And so this is a brief introduction of the Hightop auto equipment. And in the afternoon, we will have an interview of the farm owner, and he will share with us more poultry farming information. So don't miss it. Just follow our YouTube channels. You can learn more. Okay, so this is the whole overview of the chicken farm building. In the afternoon, we will have an interview of the poultry farmer. He will share with us some more poultry farming knowledge. So don't miss it. Just follow our YouTube channel. Thank you. Hi, Mr. J.
Hello.
I have some questions. So, what is the reason you use the H-type automatic equipment?
You know, I learned from a friend that its type of kids is better than the type.
Yes, it can raise more chickens and
we
save
can
land.
raise more chicken, and this kind of chicken kids, I think this is more profitable than other.
Yes, because the cage design, the equipment design is better. So the chickens have even feed, has better environment, and so it can lay more eggs than the A-type. The A-type you mean is the conventional type or the auto type?
I have already a conventional type, but I have learned something from a friend that, you know, the conventional type is more hazardous from the health of people here compared to this type. Its type is tunnel vent, so
They need less labor.
yeah, cause with regards to manpower, we left the manpower because this I think this is 30,000 piece of birds. We only have two laborers compared to conventional type. I think we employ less than 10.
So the H-type can save labor and also save time. Save time, save labor means save your money.
I can save money.
But many farmers consider about the electricity for close time.
There is also a difference. With regards to electricity, we consume more electricity. This is type compared to the tunnel vent.
But how do you provide the electricity
Hindi
supply?
kayo gusto doon natin yung i-document niya.
So how do you handle the electricity supply? We have to make sure that there is a supply of electricity for the house for 24 hours. We can't let the power off happen.
Like for example, we consume the electricity here is a very big amount of electricity compared to E-type. But we can manage on that because if there is a brownout, there's a blackout. We have another source of electricity. We have a generator.
Another source you mean?
Yeah, I have another source of electricity. We have an alternate source. Generator to produce electricity if there's a blackout.
How many sets generator you have?
I have one set of generator set. One set.
What is the kilo?
I have a generator there reserve 220 kilowatts.
220 kilowatts. Very big now. So we can sure there is no power on for the chicken house. The chickens will always stay here. And why do you choose the prefab chicken house?
Prefab? If I choose prefab house, I think it's very expensive. So I buy.
Expensive than the concrete brick one?
No. If I use a prefabricated house, I think it is very expensive because like this, I'll buy this steel in the local. I usually buy here. From my area.
What is the estimated cost for the
Estimated cost, I don't know. I don't have idea because only the owner knows about that because he is maintaining the report.
It is expensive, but it has the installation time because to build such a prefab chicken house may take only 1 month. 1 month.
I don't know if it would take 1 month to install it if we use a fabricated steel. I don't know.
Okay, so keep it.
And one more question.
This distance and
You know, for the Hightop equipment, it is actually a big investment at the beginning.
Yes.
So, actually, for many years, you can pay that.
I don't have idea so far, but according to my friend, maybe the return of investment of this type of investment, I think it would about 4 years to 5 years.
4 to 5 years. For how many chickens? One building, 4 to 5 years.
You can return my investment.
Oh, that's good business.
Just a go.
And the egg market in Japan is also good now. Because the AI control is better than the before.
Hello, thank you.
Do you have any other questions?
No, for now.
Okay. Thank you for your time, Mr. Jin.
Thank you.